As great as slow-cooked meals and all-day sauces taste, most of us don't have several hours to dedicate to just one dish. And that's why I've slashed the cooking time on some of my favorite comfort foods without sacrificing flavor. Join me in the kitchen and I'll show you how. Rice and peas is a Jamaican staple. And of course by peas, you mean beans. The longest part to cook rice and peas is getting these dry beans nice and soft and tender. It usually takes about 45 minutes on the stovetop, but in our pressure cooker here, it's just gonna be 8 minutes. The first step is soaking our peas. And make sure before you soak them that you thoroughly check them and rinse them. You'd be surprised how many pebbles you might find in your peas. But let's get them right into our chicken stock. You can soak your peas in water if you like, but why not add some more flavor while you're doing it? So we have our peas and our chicken stock, and we're going to add some garlic as well. Some people do a quick soak, some people don't soak at all, but I'm soaking my peas overnight because that's how my grandmother did it, and so that's how I'm always gonna do it. These peas have been soaking overnight in the fridge, and since we're soaking them in chicken stock, you definitely wanna stick in the fridge. And now in it goes, right into our pressure cooker. Okie dokie, let's seal this baby up and set it for high pressure for 8 minutes. Our 8 minutes have passed, so let's do a quick pressure release and see how our beans are looking. Let's take a look inside. All right, let's test one of these. But you should be able to squeeze it while it still gets a little resistance, doesn't turn to mush, but it's cooked all the way through. And it already tastes good. Since we're already using the pressure cooker, might as well cook our rice in here as well so that we don't dirty another pot. Rice is great for soaking up gravy, but I like my rice to be so flavorful it can stand on its own. First goes in some chopped scallions. Then we have some chopped ginger, some thyme, a couple bay leaves, and a sliver of scotch bonnet pepper. Sugar, some pepper. Now we have our coconut milk. This is also a really important flavor for your rice and peas. It's not rice and peas if you don't have some coconut in there. Some butter. Raw coconut oil. And last, some salt. Let's give everything a good stir, and then we're gonna cook it on low pressure for just 12 minutes, and then we're done. We're doing a quick release on the pressure because we don't want the rice to keep cooking. Let's open it up, ooh, and fluff it with a fork. It smells like a whole meal is cooking in here. Looks so good. And let's grab our thyme sprigs and our bay leaf so that no one eats those. Ooh, and the liquid is completely absorbed. All of our flavors have combined and we are ready to eat this thing. So excited to eat this. Let's give it a taste. The beans are soft but not mushy, and the rice is perfectly cooked. Everything is so flavorful too. You can taste the ginger, the scallions, the thyme, the garlic, and the coconut milk. It's so good. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more quick and flavorful recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe.